In this video I'm going to show you how to add a TikTok link to Snapchat. So first you want to open up your Snapchat and then go to your profile. From there you want to click on edit profile, and under username you will see a username and you can click here to copy the link. There are some other ways. You can potentially go to settings and privacy, account, and look for your information over here, or click on just share profile and then you can choose it to share however. As you can see, there is a feature that you can share directly to Snapchat chats, and then click on Snapchat. You can send it to somebody. But another way is that you open up Snapchat and then you just take a picture, choose the first option as a text, paste it, and now this will be your story, and that's how you add it to your story. The other way I showed you, you can send it to your chats, and basically that's it. That's how you share it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.